how's it going? Teacher Brianna here again with another guitar lesson for you. I figured before we get started, we would do a little finger exercises, do some more of our finger exercises again. Now, I like to pretend that I have star power fingers. So each one of my fingers is like a point of a star, and we start wiggling them like the shiny little stars that they are in the sky. So let's start wiggling our star fingers. Wiggling and wiggling. See if you can wiggle each individual finger. Yeah, it's kind of tricky. We got our thumbs and our pointers, our middle fingers, tricky. Sometimes our rings come along with those. And our pinkies, boop, boop. There you go. Now let's push our hands together and apart. Together and apart. One more time. And then we'll do a little stretch. Just get things moving. Okay, whew. Let's shake it out. Okay, first I would like to show you guys a song by Bob Marley called Three Little Birds. It's one of my favorite songs. And I'm just going to play a little bit of it for you because I want you to notice and listen to the way I'm strumming the guitar. You hear that? Okay, let's listen to the song and see if you can notice that. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, I looked at the rising sun, and three little birds sat at my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. This is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So there are some cool things I want you to notice about that song, and we're gonna start practicing them right now. So before, on our previous lesson, we were practicing different kinds of strumming, all of our strings together in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, we're gonna do it with something called a palm mute, which is what I was doing in that song just now. It sounds like this. Now, how I'm doing that? How am I doing that? I'm doing that by strumming and putting my hand on top of the strings to make the sound stop. Let's see if you can hear the difference. Here's the first strum. You still hear the sound? I do. Now let's try it with a palm mute. Can you hear the sound? Nope, sure can't. And this sounds kind of percussive or like a drum. It can be very rhythmical. So we can give this a little practice. Let's give it a try. So take your crab claw hand, your left hand, and hold onto the guitar right here, because we're not going to be playing a chord just yet. And then we'll take our thumb on our right hand and give it a strum. Then gently put your fingers over the string. Strum. Now let's do that in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That might be a little fast. Let's try it a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. I know you guys are starting to get it. I can see it. Now we're going to try it with individual strings. First we did it with a strum, all of the strings, on all of the strings, but now we're just going to do individual strings. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Nice. All right, guys. Well, I want you to practice that because it helps you get a little more control of your instrument and you can start to experiment a little bit. Maybe you want to strum backwards from the high string to the low string. Or up and down. Down and up. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed our guitar lesson today, and I can't wait to see you next time for another lesson with our Loog guitars. See you next time. Bye.